Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fade two images together in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, be a drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center, you're gonna find the option to start a new project, open from computer. You can see the templates and you can install Photopea. Go ahead and click on new project. And then once you're here in this window, right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna uh, find the option to choose a name for your project. Right here, you can choose the width, the height, and also DPI. And right here, you can choose the size for your image. Right here, you're going to find social, print, photo, screen, mobile, and ads. I'm going to choose a size for my project. So I'm going to go to screen, full HD, and then click on create. Once you create your project, you're going to be right here. So right now, go ahead and add the images you want to fade together. So firstly, I'm gonna go to File, then click on Open and choose an image from my computer. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. And after that, I'm going to add a layer. Click right here on New Layer to add a new layer. Make sure to select it and then go to File, Open, and add the second image. So basically, guys, once you add your other image, go ahead and select the layer of your image. And then once you do that, go right here to the bottom. Then you're going to find this option, which is add raster mask. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, you can go right here to gradient tool and then just select this one and then go ahead and choose your gradient zone. And then as you can see guys, this is how you can fade two images together. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.